Guess we're going on a bike ride. This is a sucky idea because I don't have a camera holder or anything. And I'm just gonna be riding with one hand. I'm on the road right now. So, one-handed. Currently live. I'm not doing a live stream. Here's the beautiful road. I'm just hoping I don't drop my phone. This is going to TikTok maybe. I'm just hoping I don't drop my phone. I honestly don't know what to do. We're just going on a bike ride. My phone. People are probably gonna think I'm weird with just holding my phone. Like I'm texting someone, playing Pokemon Go. This is in 2016. But I'm going pretty slow. Wind's pushing against me. One hand in it up a hill. Okay, I'm catching up some speed because there's a shadow. You can see my phone and everything. Insane. Turning down this hill. I'm gonna go down this hill. It's really dangerous. But there's my shadow. But yeah, really dangerous. Probably not gonna pedal. I'm not gonna pedal. Not pedaling. Don't do this at home, people. Do not. I gotta slow down because we're going over a gravel pit. Oh God. Oh, I'm so good at this. I ride bikes, baby. Yes, I stuck it. Let's go. I thought I was gonna fall, but there it is. Shadow. Now I gotta get up this. Frick. What do you think? Sprinkler run? Nah. I would. Little shadow. What do you think? Should I go down the big hill? I don't think so. I wish I had my Canon, my bike holder. Oh, I'm going up this hill and it's really hard. One hand, it's hard to pedal. Whew. It's a freaking workout. I'm gonna go up another hill, do a 360. Okay. Just now passing it. Oh, finally. There's a little turn right there. And now, it's all down here. Go from here. We'll pick up speed a little bit. So, if you're wondering what I do on a Sunday, well, daily Sunday bike ride. Well, I do a bike ride every day. My life is ruined. Oh my God, I almost gravel pit. Okay. Oh, I'm one-handing all of this. Can I stick the loop? Hold up. Okay. Can I stick the loop one-handed? Shadow. Oh, I thought it was a car coming. Nothing else to see. Ow. Whew. Dang, beauty is so freaking awesome. Beautiful. Beautiful weather outside. Hey. beautiful. Don't know why I'm wearing a black long sleeve, but I am. Yeah, I'll go more. Why not? Oh my God. I'm just going down. Hi. Hi. I know everyone around here. Oh, yeah, there's Bob. But, yeah, this is the hardest hill to get up to besides that one. It's different hills. It just looks the same. What do you think? Should I go up into the mountains in my next vlog? Hold on, let me just stop for a second. Oh my God. Freaking workout. What do you think? Should I go back? 6 minutes in. Why not? Part 2, I guess, when I get back to the house.